Hello guys, welcome back to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you iOS 16's update after depth effect is not working on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to iOS 16's update after depth effect is not working on iPhone and iPad. Now the iPhone and iPad users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now the first one solution is make sure you are supported iPhone and iPad. This feature supported iPhone is iPhone X series, 11 series, 12 series, 13 series, 14 series and iPhone SE second generations also support these features. These all the devices are support the depth effect on iPhone and iPad. Now the second solution is most important. The solution is ensure you are using the supported wallpaper on iPhone and iPad. Now the third one solution is ensure the depth effect is enabled on your lock screen on iPhone and iPad after iOS 16's update. Now first of all, unlock your device, tap and hold on the lock screens and enter the customization mode. Now tap on the customize at the bottom. Now tap on the three dots menu icon in the bottom right hand side corner. Tap and select the depth effect if already not enabled. This way too you can easily depth effect problem fix on your iPhone and iPad. Now the fourth one solution is most important for the iPhone and iPad users. The solution is remove the lock screen widget on iPhone. Now the iPhone users question is what to do. Now first of all, unlock your device and tap and hold on your lock screen. Now enter the editing mode and now tap on the customizations at the bottom side. Now tap on the widget in the widget area and you should now enter the widget editing mode on your iPhone and iPad. Now tap on the minus icon beside the each widget to remove it from the lock screens on iPhone and iPad. One by one remove the widget and check the depth effect is working or not. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Now the last one solution is ensure you are using the JPG format. When using the image as your lock screen wallpaper with the depth effect, you need to ensure that you are using the JPG format image. Another image format is currently not available and not supported on iOS 16's update. These 5 solutions too you can easily depth effect not working problem fix on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you need query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.